While Chuck Norris was off battling Canada, a different kind of chaos was unfolding in the Lone Star State. Remember that whole EMP thing? Turns out it had some unexpected side effects, namely it messed with the jet stream, causing a massive cold front to stall directly over Texas. And we're not talking about your average Texas winter, which usually involves shorts and a light jacket. We're talking full-on blizzard conditions. Texans, known for their love of big trucks and even bigger hair, were caught completely off guard.